Unveiling the Mitsubishi Xforce, elevating crossover experience with 8.7 inches of ground clearance and dynamic drive modes. In an exciting development, Mitsubishi has officially introduced its latest gem to the automotive world, the Mitsubishi Xforce compact crossover, making its grand debut in Indonesia. The Xforce promises an exceptional driving journey, marked by innovative features and a distinctive design. Let's delve into the captivating details that define this remarkable crossover. A glimpse of Xforce's unveiling. The Xforce, unveiled in Indonesia, is set to revolutionize the compact crossover segment. Its unveiling was marked by a mesmerizing showcase of its exterior design back in July, creating an air of anticipation that has now been met with the full revelation of its interior. A technologically advanced haven. Stepping inside the Xforce, you're greeted by a harmonious blend of technology and comfort. At the heart of the cabin lies a striking 12.3-inch infotainment display, seamlessly complemented by an 8.0-inch digital instrument cluster. Mitsubishi, always at the forefront of innovation, introduces a melange fabric padding for the dashboard, providing a touch of elegance that sets a new standard. The auditory experience is elevated by the presence of an 8-speaker dynamic sound Yamaha premium audio system, complete with tweeters, woofers, and an impressive array of sound types. Connectivity redefined. The Xforce is all about staying connected, and the infotainment display underscores this ethos with the inclusion of WebLink. Smartphone connectivity is seamlessly integrated, projecting applications onto the expansive screen. This captivating screen boasts multi-widget functionality, thoughtfully divided into 3 sections for an immersive user experience. Modern convenience is enhanced by USB Type-A and Type-C ports, allowing passengers to effortlessly plug in their devices. The front wireless charger further adds a touch of futuristic charm. Practicality meets elegance. The Xforce embraces practicality without compromising on sophistication. Mitsubishi proudly showcases its ample storage capacity. With an astounding claim, you can discreetly tuck away up to 21 20-ounce 600-milliliter plastic bottles across various compartments, from door trims to the floor console and beyond. Remarkably, a console box with a built-in drink cooler elevates your refreshment game. Turning attention to the rear, the Xforce boasts a height-adjustable cargo space floor, ensuring adaptability to diverse cargo needs. The model's 40 to 20/40 split-folding rear seats further amplify storage options, allowing the rear storage capacity to be tailored to your requirements, unleashing thrilling performance. Beneath the Xforce's hood lies a powerhouse, a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers a dynamic performance, generating an impressive 103 horsepower, 77 kilowatts, and 103 pound-feet, 141 newton-meters of torque. This engine pairs seamlessly with a high-efficiency continuously variable transmission, ensuring an engaging and smooth drive. Conquering any terrain, the Xforce's prowess extends beyond the asphalt. With up to 8.7 inches to 122 millimeters of ground clearance when equipped with the 18-inch wheels, its ability to tackle challenging terrains is enhanced by a 21-degree approach angle and a 35-degree departure angle, amplifying its rugged capabilities. Embracing versatility, the Xforce offers 4 distinctive drive modes: normal, gravel, mud, and wetty, ensuring optimal performance across diverse conditions. Aesthetic excellence and dimensions. The Xforce leaves an indelible mark with its design language. The brand's iconic dynamic shield front face undergoes an evolution, showcasing the 3-diamond emblem, complemented by T-shaped headlights and captivating daytime running lights adorning the angular grille. This motif seamlessly extends to the LED taillights, creating a harmonious design language. In terms of dimensions, the Xforce strikes an ideal balance. It spans 172.8 inches for 1,390 millimeters in length, 71.2 inches 1,810 millimeters in width, and 65.3 inches 660 millimeters in height, all built upon a 104.3-inch to 1,650 mm wheelbase. Distinctly standing out, the Xforce carves its unique path, setting it apart from competitors like the Ford Bronco Sport, with unparalleled finesse and design elements. Final thoughts: the Mitsubishi Xforce heralds a new era of compact crossovers. redefining driving experiences with its exceptional features and performance capabilities. This innovative model encapsulates the essence of connectivity, versatility, and elegance, setting the stage for a thrilling journey on the road. As Mitsubishi introduces the Xforce to the world, it invites enthusiasts to explore a new dimension of driving excitement, where technology and practicality coexist harmoniously.